So you're ready? Part 2, Jason's going to fly. So I looked at the damage to mine on that rather hard landing, which I haven't seen on video yet. All I did was snap a pin on one of the retracts.
Welcome to OpenTX.
So I got away with it really, didn't I?
You did, yeah. Just need a pin.
Just need a pin.
Manual mode.
So same again, Carl. Try and keep. Won't fly too fast. Jason, here's the Spitfire.
I don't need your Spitfire.
Put on the Spitfire helmet.
It won't fit my head, Dom.
Why do I bother?
I'm not sure why you did bother with that.
Because you look like a proper pucker pilot.
Yes.
Maybe
Look like
not.
a helmet.
Maybe not. It just doesn't fit your head. No, don't worry. I'm sorry I asked. Your brain is the size of a planet compared to mine, obviously.
Right, there we go. Let's see. Oh, I've left the lid.
Oh. His
Making
lid.
Excuses not to fly.
Yeah, he is. He's been doing this for the last half an hour.
Yeah.
He's seen me crash and he said, no, I don't think I'll do it today. Do you sit down when you fly FPV?
I don't normally, but I might today.
I would.
Just because it's a bit more relaxing.
How fast were you flying on that on my flight?
I was at half throttle.
You were at half throttle?
Yeah.
It was a lot harder to get close to you for some weird reason.
Right.
Okay.
FPV flight, take 1. Landing is going to be
Part
a
2,
nightmare.
take 1.
Yeah. Landing's going to be a nightmare, we already know that.
Well, you've got all the telemetry. I thought that was the point.
You could try following the you can gauge my speed.
Yeah, and then you'll just crash into him. I forgot to turn my microphone on. I've done that now. Good luck, gents. Just give me a test on the head tracking.
I'm just trying to...
Trainer signal lost. Trainer signal recovered.
So, I'll reset it there.
Alright, so just a reminder, this is a pan tilt that was designed by Jason. So you can see you get a lot of movement. The DJI digital FPV system. And he's got a load of telemetry that's projected on top of the image in the goggles for airspeed. There's a pitot tube there for true airspeed. And he's got altitude and loads of other things, which should help him if he gets time to look at them.
No, but you've got flaps.
Oh, is that better? Okay, taxi out, mate.
So you see he's holding in full elevator there to keep the tail on the ground. Really important with tail draggers and Spitfires especially to do that. Go on, Jay.
He's at half throttle, I'm nearly at full.
Yeah, you got a fast setup, Carl. Slow it down. Go half flap and crawl around.
That's a good speed where you are. Look at me. Okay, I've lost you. So I'm going to go straight for a minute. Whoa, that was close. Yeah.
You're pitching around quite a bit,
Who, me?
Jay, yeah. It's like your rudder's quite sensitive, your CG not quite right. He's quite smooth. Maybe you're just overcorrecting, I don't know.
Probably just overcorrected, trying to keep him in position.
He's below left.
I'm going to carry on flying out to the field.
Turn right, he's banked right now, overtaking you.
Yeah, I got him.
Can I suggest you go full flaps and try do circuit full flap? A lot slower. See how close you can get there.
I've got no visual on you, FYI.
He's below, I assume. Oh, you might, yeah, you might have been below actually.
Good work, Dom. Good work.
Sorry. Okay, no worries. You just seem to be a lot quicker, Carl. That could be it. That could be it.
Coming in, yeah?
Formation landing. You ahead, Jay?
I'm still in the air, mate.
I know, you're ahead though. You're going to keep going, you're not going to come in with him?
No, I'm going to come in now.
Alright, if you turn, he'll be in front of you.
Yeah.
Are you behind, Jay?
I'm behind. 7 meters up.
So we'll focus on Jay's landing. Nice. No. Let it come down, let it come down. Alright. Your descent rate is good. But you're flaring way too early, but you could almost land at the descent rate that you're coming down at. You gotta trust it. That's the mistake I was making. You think you're a lot lower than you actually are.
I might try half flat.
Oh, I'm way over flared. And too.
Yeah. I've only used half my pack, so I'm good on flight time.
Okay. You can practice the approach then. quite high. Tree height. Nice and smooth. You're in. That's it. Just let it come down, let it come down, let it come down. It's alright, it's alright. And back on the elevator. Oh my god, a greaser! Woo!
Oh,
What'd you do?
No!
Oh! I only got the end of that.
Well, apart from landing upside down, that was really cool.
It just tipped over, just a tip over. But the landing was
The
fantastic.
landing felt smooth in the goggles, so happy with that.
So overall, well worth it. We think we're going to do more. Yeah,
It's going to take some practice.
going to take some practice.
Especially when you add the third.
Oh my, yeah, I'm not too keen on that. It is,
We need a fly-by-wire system or something.
yeah, I really do think 3 flying together is going to be difficult.
Yeah.
And I think they all need gyros.
Yeah, I've got a gyro in mind.
We need to go with a gyro, don't we, to eliminate, you know, all the turbulence and everything like that, I think,
I
Jay.
have got a gyro on my flight controller.
I'll have to get
I
one and
haven't
put in
enabled
mine.
it.
All right then. So
next part of the project.
the next part. So I think it's been a good first stage
Yeah.
to get it working and to prove that the head tracking works and everything like that. But we'll be back. We'll be back, and our eventual aim is to get 3 flying together without having a mid-air. How likely is that?
Then we just need someone else to film.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back for part 2 or part 3, whichever way you look at it, in the near future of the Flightline Spitfires with Headtracked FPV. Bye guys. Thanks.
Bye.
Cheers.
Okay, mate. Okay, I've lost you.